A circle has a centre 0, 0 and a radius length 5. Part 1, write down the equation of the circle. Part 2, draw a graph of the circle on graph paper. Part 3, verify that the point A, 3, 4 lies on this circle. Part 4, name 8 other points which lie on this circle. So part 1, write down the equation of the circle. So we have a centre of 0, 0. So we're going to use the formula x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, where r represents the radius. As r is equal to 5, the equation of the circle is going to be x squared plus y squared is equal to 5 squared. And 5 squared is 25, so the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equals 25. Any circle with a centre of 0, 0 is in this form. Part 2, draw a graph of the circle on graph paper. To draw the graph of the circle on graph paper, draw the axes and mark off units of equal length on the two axes. Then use a compass to draw the circle. So basically, we put the centre of our circle as 0, 0, so we get our compass point, the sharp point, and we put it at 0, 0 on our xy axis. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. And we're going to open up our compass to 5 units. It can be 5 centimetres or 5 units. So we open it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, and we mark a point, and then we basically just draw a circle right the way around. And make sure when you're finished that each of the intercepts on the x and y axis are 5 units in length. Part 3, verify that the point 3, 4 lies on the circle. So we substitute 3 for x and 4 for y in the equation of the circle and show that we get a true statement. This means that the equation balances. So we have 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 25. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, and 9 plus 16 is 25. So we get 25 equals 25, so the equation balances. So this is true. Thus, the point 3, 4 lies on the circle. Part 4, name 8 other points which lie on this circle. So some other points can be found as follows. The circle crosses the x-axis at B, 5, 0. So there's the point B, which is 5, 0. And C, minus 5, 0. There's the point C, minus 5, 0. So these are the x-intercepts, the point at which it crosses the x-axis. The circle crosses the y-axis at D, 0, 5. So there's the point D, 0, 5. And E, 0, minus 5. E, 0, minus 5. So these are the y-intercepts, the points at which it crosses the y-axis. Reflecting A in the x-axis, the y-axis and the origin, the other points on the circle are F, 3, minus 4. So remember, this is the point 3, 4, which is A. And if we reflect it down through the x-axis, we get the point 3, minus 4. We also have the point G, which is minus 3, 4. So reflecting across through the y-axis, we have the point G, which is 3, minus 4. And we also have the point H, minus 3, minus 4, which is a reflection through the origin, minus 3, minus 4. As 3, 4 is on the circle, so is I, 4, 3. So there's the point I, which is 4, 3. As the coordinates of this point also satisfy the equation x squared plus y squared equals 25. Now if you wanted to come up with some other points, you could sub in some x values and find some y values, or vice versa, so long as the equation balances when you do so.